Okay. So this is Mike Lentz with Artisan Home Services, LLC. And we are doing a trenchless water service repair today. So basically we only have to open up a small portion out front, maybe about a 5 foot by 3 foot area. And then what we do is we drill a hole right here, and then we use this thing called a water drill, and the water drill shoots water through extended pieces of pipe. So right now we're in about 20 feet, I'd say, and I think we only have about 3 or 4 more feet to go. Once we get this done, what we're going to do is we're going to get the roll of K copper, we're going to attach it to these pipes and then pull it back. And this cuts down on cost and digging up your whole entire front yard. So rather than doing 30 feet of front yard, all we have to do is about a 6 by 3 hole out front. And also this goes right underneath the customer's concrete patio and stairs. So that would be quite an undertaking if you had to dig that out. So we're almost about there, and then we'll show you some more outside. Thanks. Joey Party. He goes like right under him and just stands there. Ah! Ah!
Swap in on you whenever you need a break. Here. Dude, I think it's over here. To the left.
That's good.
Go ahead.
So now what we're going to do is, here's our drill bit that's from the inside to the outside. So now what we're going to do is take this drill bit off. We're going to attach what's called a female adapter onto the end of that pipe. And then we're going to solder our copper on. And then what we're going to do is we have a roll of soft copper. We're just going to slowly unravel it. And we're going to have 2 guys in there pulling this pipe back. And then we're just going to pull it back. And then we're going to make our connections out here to the water box, which is right here. You can't see it, but we'll go get a picture of it after we get this all attached and taken care of, so you can see what it looks like. And then basically that's it. So we'll see you soon. All right.
Pulling it in.
Pulling it in, Lewis. There inside. What is that, Lewis? Oh, that's solder. Oh, I thought I saw something silver down there. I was like,
There it
did we
comes.
strike gold?
Nah, it's solder.
Yeah, Lewis, this roll of copper was $500.
Dang.
60 feet of 3/4 inch K copper. It's now up to $500.
What did it used to be before?
When I started plumbing, 1999, a 3/4 inch K roll of copper was, I think, $100, around, give or take, maybe a little less.
Dang, so 5X?
So, you know.
Well, that was like
22 years
22
later,
years ago.
$500. Yep, everything has gone up exponentially. So inflation is real. Like climate change, it's real. And these guys are inside pulling this pipe back right now. They're trying to. They got to take off the sections, so that's why they goes in about 4 or 5 feet, and then they have to take the pipe off, and then they'll pull it in another 4 or 5 feet, take another section of pipe off. So when we're all said and done, though, what's going to happen is this is just going to be one straight piece of pipe with no fittings from the water box here to the inside right at the wall. So it's just going to be one solid piece of pipe. Ask him if he's done pulling.
Alright,
He's done.
he's done.
I was cutting it, you yanked it on me.
Oh, you were?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were messing with me. I was
No,
like,
I'm like,
Jerry.
what the fuck?
Sorry, I wasn't trying to. I thought you were messing with me, like, haha, Mike.
Finished products outside. Inside finished product.